So this is a IoT project we are working on. That is, we are measuring heating oil levels in the heating tanks in the state of Connecticut. Before this, let me explain you what is the current scenario and what is the problem we are facing in the state of Connecticut. Most of the homes here we have surveyed online uses heating oil based oil tanks. So these oil tanks are being used during winters for heating the homes, or it can be used for heating the water as well. So all these oil tanks have measuring systems wherein you have to manually go there and check the oil levels. So the current system, they have dipsticks, that is a long stick is there and it has measuring on top of that, and you have to dip the stick inside the oil tank and pull it out to check the oil level. And much more advanced than this, we have measuring gauges wherein you install it in the oil tank and you have to manually go there and check the oil levels. So what happens is you have to check the oil levels very frequently, or else lower oil levels can damage heating pumps and also the heaters. Yeah, these gauges are very costly. They can cost up to $150 per unit. Even though you install these gauges, you have to manually go there and check the oil levels, and if the oil levels are low, you have to give a call to the oil company and ask for a refill. And if it is during the times of winter, and if you place an order, you might get the refill at a delayed rate, because there is a lot of demand during the winter. So we thought of a solution to overcome this problem, to bridge a gap between customer and the oil supplier by using the system. So what we are trying to do here is we are trying to measure oil level in the oil tank just by your voice. Just by asking to a device that interacts with you through your voice, you can check the oil levels. So let me explain you how the system works. Let me explain you about the architecture we are using in this project. This project has three main components. One is Amazon Echo. It is a device, it is a speaker that is being offered by Amazon company. It has a virtual assistant built into it. It is known as Alexa. And the next part is a cloud application. We are using AWS infrastructure over here. And the next is the device, a hardware part which is built into the oil tank, which is used to measure the oil levels. So let me explain you how all these components are connected together and how it works. So whenever a user asks Alexa what is the oil level, so a request from Alexa is sent to the cloud application, and from the cloud application a request is sent to the device. So this device measures the oil level and it again sends back to the cloud application, that is AWS infrastructure. From there, Alexa pulls all the data from the database and it interprets the oil level based on the measurement that is measured by the ultrasonic sensor. So this is a sample setup of oil tank which resides in our home. So we have all the hardware connected to the oil tank, and you have the Alexa device in your home. So through this process, you don't have to manually go to the oil tank and check the oil levels frequently. You just have to talk to Alexa to get the oil levels, and she'll be able to get the oil levels for you. All the oil level is measured through this ultrasonic sensor, and this device is connected to AWS infrastructure, that is AWS IoT, through MQTT protocol. So through a specified time frequency, the oil level is measured and it is being sent to the infrastructure, cloud infrastructure, where we are maintaining a database, and all the oil level is being saved over there. So let me give you a quick demo of this. Alexa, ask Oily to check the oil level.
Present oil level is 92%.
The oil level which is being measured here, it is sent to AWS infrastructure. We are using DynamoDB here to save all the data. As you can see, we have few data being saved in here. And when you talk to Alexa, she will get data from DynamoDB, and from there she'll be able to calculate the oil level and tell it to the user. Let me give you a quick demo. Alexa, ask Oily to check the oil level.
Present oil level is 92%.
Now let me show you by decreasing the oil level. Now that the oil level is decreased, let me go ask Alexa what is the present oil level. Alexa, ask Oily to check the oil level.
Present oil level is 69%.
Our application not only measures the oil level, but it is intelligent enough to tell what is today's oil usage and how many days can the oil last. Let me give you a demo. Alexa, launch Oily.
Hi there. I can check the oil level or order for a refill. Which one will it be?
What is today's oil usage?
For today, till now, 0.46 gallons has been consumed.
For how many days can the oil last?
Oil can last for another 4 days with the current usage rate.
We've also added a feature wherein when the oil level dips to below 15%, Alexa will ask you if do you want to order for a refill. And you can also ask Alexa to place an order for refill, and an order can go to the supplier, and an order will be refill order can be sent to you within 48 hours. So let us decrease the oil level below 15%. Alexa, launch Oily.
Hi there. I can check the oil level or order for a refill. Which one will it be?
What is the present oil level?
Present oil level is 8%. With the current usage rate of 1.69 gallons, oil can last for another 1 day. You might want to consider ordering for a refill. Should I order for a refill?
Yes, please.
Sorry, I did not understand that. Can you please repeat it?
Yes.
How many gallons shall I order?
Order for 10 gallons.
Sure, I just placed the order. The refill should be here within 48 hours.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.